warm milk cheese. Enjoy watching! Materials and ingredients: butter, cheese, milk, fresh corn, water, knife, grated cheese, cutting board. First, prepare the corn and pound it. Next, cut the corn, use a knife. Then, pour water into a pan. Meanwhile, grate no cheese. Then, put the corn to boil while 10 minutes. Then, after the corn is cooked, pour the corn into a clean bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir. Then, sprinkle cheese on the corn. Then, pour enough milk. Finally, Jessica is ready to be served. That's all I can say. Sorry if there are any warm words. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.